call this one the conversion bomb. That is an AI-generated picture. I love it. Kind of shows exactly how I feel about this process, how excited I am to share this with you guys as well. So here's one of our competitors' products. It's a tactical flashlight. It does really well. These guys probably do, I think, like 60, 70 grand a month there. So, you know, maybe 2/3 of a million in sales every single year. And if I look at their pricing in the page on here, they got the strike-through pricing going, just like what we talked about. So they're doing some things right already. Then I notice also that they have a green little discount thing on there. Who knows, what's that green thing? What is it? Who knows what that is? A coupon? Aha! It's not a coupon. I thought it was a coupon. I'm clicking on my phone, I'm clicking on the screen, clicking on a Mac, that's not a touch screen at all, so it doesn't really work. But when I tried to click on it, I can't click on it. It's not a coupon. It's actually a promotion. And this was something new that Amazon put into place around last, I don't know, December, November. I don't have the exact dates. I know that I noticed this right around the holidays because I thought it was a coupon as well. Like, what is that little green badge that is catching my attention and making me want to buy this product? Because it's catching my eyes. So I had to go into my lab, try to experiment and figure out exactly what's going on here. And this is what I uncovered after a few weeks of testing. So what if I were to go out there and add in something else that this product doesn't have? It doesn't have a regular coupon. They're using a promotion. I'll walk you through how to set this up. Let's take all that off. Let's leave on their strike-through pricing. And then let's create, I don't know, 5% coupon. Doesn't really matter what it is, as long as you have a coupon. This is the standard coupon that you can click on and immediately save on this product. They didn't have this, so if you're out there selling this product, this is what I would do with it. I would add in a coupon right there, which is going to help with conversions. Then let's go use the promotion that they have right now and see if that's gonna show up on the page. When I did that, when I had a coupon, when I had a promotion running, these both showed up on their product detail page. I had no idea that would happen. Back in the days when we set up these promotions, which are different than discounts, they didn't show up at the top. They showed up down at the very bottom. No one ever saw them. You had to actually check a box to say that you want to show up on the product detail page. Now they're bumping them up right to the very top near the buy box. Very, very cool. However, I realized that the coupon I added, you can only have one coupon on every single product. But on promotions, it's unlimited. You can go out there at any point in time you want, go to your Sell Essential, go to advertising, go to promotions, and create 100 promotions if you want to. And so I was kind of curious, like, what would happen if I created another promotion? Is it gonna be pushed down to the bottom of this page where no one's gonna see it? Or is this gonna happen? This is exactly what happens. If you create 2 promotions, they're gonna put it right up there at the top of your product listing. And then they're gonna put the normal stuff down there again. But the really cool thing about this right here, you have 4 different high converting factors right there on your product detail page that when people come and they want to buy your product, they think they are getting, and they probably are, one heck of a deal. I call this the conversion bomb. We're using it right now on all of our products. We're using it in products that we actually launch and sell at Amazing. As soon as we have this, conversions go up. If something happens, the strike-through pricing goes away, a coupon expires, got to put on there, we notice right away conversions go back down. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Also, let me show you that this actually works. This is a product that we sold last year. We still sell this. We sell batteries. Probably the most boring product out there. We don't actually make a lot of money off batteries. They're low margin. Amazon, Energizer, Duracell, they all own the market on it. But I wanted to see, like, would this help with this really low converting product that we had? I looked at our conversion numbers last year. So this is our AA battery. Conversion numbers last year, actually not bad. 18.5% was our conversion rate. I also wanted to check and see how are our review ratings looking. 4.5 stars, so pretty good. And our price last year, again, really low price product, about $9.50. I implemented the conversion bomb here, and I checked out what we did in the first quarter of this year, and here's how the numbers changed. Our conversion rate almost doubled up to 33%, and we still had the same star rating and actually a higher price because I wanted to make sure that my conversion is going up because I dramatically lowered the price or I got better reviews. Wasn't the case. So to me, this is an indication that what we're doing here in creating this conversion bomb is actually having a difference and getting us much better conversions. Also, the click-through rate, don't have it highlighted there, but the click-through rate went from 0.4% to 0.5556%, which is another big increase, which helps with ranking as everyone who knows the algorithm goes. All right, so let's walk through exactly how you can do the conversion bomb. Step one is to use what we talked about in the very first part of this and get your strike-through pricing. That should take a day or two. My hope is that like probably 80% of the people in this room that would work for. If you already have strike-through pricing, then you don't have to go through this process. You can just go right to the next step. Step two is to create a coupon. Everyone should know how to do this. Pretty darn simple in there. There are a few categories that you can't do it in. If you're in any kind of like adult category, weapons-related category, can't create coupons. Doesn't really make sense. You can run ads, you can spend money on Amazon, you can put them on there, but you can't give people a discount on a gun holster. Makes sense. Next, then, you want to go ahead and create this promotion, the first promotion, and I like creating it low. I want to stay low. I don't want to give away all the money, but I have to create like a 5% off promotion. And the key is to make it on multiple items, and I'll kind of walk through why we do it that way in a second here. To do that, and this is the technical part of it, again, you'll get these slides, but take a picture you want. You go in and create this percentage off coupon, and you'll get to the first part of the screen here, and here's how you want to set it up. You want to make sure that they have to buy at least 2 items. So they're not gonna get just on one product. Also, what I do, because I am lazy and have way too much work going on, I make it available for our entire catalog. You can go in and pick and choose any product that you want to and say they have to buy 2 of this product or that product, or maybe a collection of products. I just make it for all the products. Makes my life easier. Then you set the percentage off right there. You wanna make sure that you give it a budget. You'll never hit this budget, so go big. Put in $1 million you want to. You're not gonna really hit it there. Then you want to go in, you have to set a start and end date. On the end date, make it far out. Make it at least to the end of this calendar year. You can end this thing at any point in time that you want to, but you don't want it just to go away without you thinking about it, so set it a long time off. You can always go and end it later. Next, you'll get to the additional part. We actually do some cool stuff here. So you want to make sure that this product, this coupon, is available for everyone. They don't have to put in a code. You don't have to give them a unique code and send them these coupons. I just make it available for everyone out there. Then this is where it kind of gets fun. This may do nothing at all for my sales, but it makes me happy. So you can customize your messaging here. Amazon has the most boring messaging. If you don't click this box, they're gonna put in, you saved money. Great job. You know, all these like really boring things that are like, I don't want to see that. I want to put in what I want to. This is all custom copy. Think of it like everyone talks about how important copywriting is right now. This is another way to get in front of your customer and put your message in front of them, not Amazon's message. So I'm going to say that, hey, if you get this, you save 5% more. Make it exciting for them. And then they didn't just save it on the product you purchased. They got it on uber cool products. Like get them excited about this. Then you go in there and actually customize the text that's gonna show up as well on the product page. And you can go ahead and set what's called a precedence. Don't worry about this. If you don't ever adjust this number here, you'll be totally fine. But the way to think of this is like, what order do you want to see these on the page? If you create 10 different offers, and they will show up eventually on your page down at the bottom, what's the order? So it can go anywhere from 1 to 100. I like making this one around 50, and then the next one I'm gonna create, I'll show you, and make it 60. I wanted to stack up in that direction. You don't have to, that's what I like to do. Now, the reason I like customizing this text, because you can do really cool things like this right here. Matt Clark loves this. Save another 5% because Bruce Lee's fastest brother suddenly said so. Buy 2 pliers, and then do a karate kick into the air. You can use emojis in there. I think heart emojis are awesome because they show up really bright and colorful. We got a little karate outfit there. We got some pliers there. This is one of the products that we actually sell at Amazing. It's your way to get a much better, more vibrant message to your customers. Now, once you do that, that's gonna show up in that third box there I'm showing you, and it's time to create the other promotion as well. A lot of this is very, very similar. I'm not gonna walk through all the steps of doing this, but what you wanna make sure you do is that they don't have to use a coupon again. This one's gonna be on 3 units, by the way. Also, you wanna customize the messaging again. You wanna make sure that you update your messaging. So, if you were to leave it up to Amazon to put in the right messaging to your customer, they'll take care of it. They'll tell you that, okay, for this one, you have to buy 3 products and save this amount. I want to customize it, so make sure you optimize it. I've done this in the past where I didn't realize that I was giving them 10% off and I forgot to put it in there. Make sure it's correct. Whatever you're giving them, put it right there. Have the same thing here, say it's your uber cool products, give another different custom message there, and then also you can put this really, really cool message. This one's about Bruce Lee's vegan brother, his name is Broccoli. And he says to go buy this product right there too. Anytime you get out there and kind of be a little fun and goofy with them, it's just a way to like show a little personality with your business. Once you do that, every person in this room can have a listing that is gonna look just like that, with these 4 high converting factors that I am confident is going to increase your conversions from the day one. Now, a little bonus here. And then I didn't have that. I used to have a picture in this slide deck of a little kid throwing money away. Because some of you right now may be thinking that if I put all these coupons, these bonuses on my page, they're gonna stack up, right? Like it doesn't matter whether the first one's 5%, the next one's 5, the next one's 5, eventually you're giving away like 15%. You may not have the margin, you already got strike-through pricing. But here's the cool thing to think about. The coupon will always work on that sale. Totally fine, we all do this, we know how it works. Each of those promotions, the first promotion I put on there for 5%, the second promotion for 10%, they only work when they're buying multiple quantities. So don't worry about one person coming in and getting 20, 30% off. If someone buys 2 products, the way I had set up, they'll get 15% off. I don't know about you guys, I'm totally fine if someone buys 2 of our products and I give them the 15% discount. And the only way they'll get that additional 10% is if they buy 3 products. And you can change this. You can make it 4, 5, 10, whatever you want to. To me, the way our pricing structured, I want to incentivize people to buy more and more of our products. And so we have it factored into our margins that if they want to buy 3 or more products, giving them a 20% discount is totally fine by me. Just make sure your numbers work. But that way you don't have to worry about throwing money out the window. All right, so a little bonus here is another thing I noticed when I was researching these products is that some of these promotions had this little bitty hyperlink that said, shop these items. I'm like, I have no idea what that is, but I'm back on Matt's Mac iBook. I'm clicking off my finger. It's not a touch screen, so it's not working again. Pull up my phone, and then when I do click on it, I see this page right here. Another interesting, cool, fun, conversion increasing feature that Amazon put in were these individual product pages that when you create a promotion, they create a page, a unique page on Amazon that's going to list all of the products in that promotion. This is another reason when I'm setting mine up, I let them select my entire catalog. Because I would love for someone to land on this page and see every product that I have. Let them get the coupons on there. Let them get a discount. They're gonna see all the products out there. This could help me increase my average order value, the number of units on there, and this is a page that will live on in Amazon. Now, another thing that I was researching, because I'm like, is this gonna really help me? Are people really gonna click on that button? Are they really gonna go there? Are they really going to then buy more products? I don't know. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. But I don't care, because I started doing a little Google searching. And when I did some Google searching, or Googling, then I saw this pop up. That page I just showed you before with the keyboards shows up in Google. That means that Google is indexing all of these promotion pages that you are creating. So not only is there a chance, and don't get me wrong, it's not like this page isn't gonna rank on page 1 for like gift items for Father's Day, but every time you create one of these promotion pages, you're getting backlinks to every single product that you put into that promotion. Another reason, every time I set up a promotion, I add my entire catalog to it. Because I want all these backlinks, which are on Amazon, very, very authoritative for anyone who knows SEO, and showing up in Google with all the backlinks to us that are going to give boosts to my products and to my entire brand and collection on my whole catalog. So that's why I set these up. That's also why when I said to select the end date, make it far out. You don't want this page to go away. You want it to stick around for a long time. You could probably put it out there for like 10 years. I don't know what the limit is on these things, but make it be farther out there. End it if you ever want to change it. Get these backlinks. They'll just build up over time. There's probably a possibility. There's probably a way to game the system. I haven't really thought about it. Or maybe try this out. Create 100 promotions. Just go out there and create 100 promotions with all your products, and then have all these pages created on Amazon, all with your products linking back to your own, every single product on there, showing up and indexed by Google. Haven't tested that. Maybe that'd be the next SellerCon. I'll show that there. That's what happens there. All right, so here's your mission. You guys ready? If you choose to accept this, I want you to go out there, get your strike-through pricing, surf in the pricing wave. You should be able to do this. Everyone should be able to do this within the next 24 to 48 hours. Then go create a coupon so that you can get some instant discounted sales. Create that first promotion, give them about 5% off, then create that second promotion, and then you will have what I call the conversion bomb. And I'm pretty darn sure that if you guys do this, within a few days, every single person will see their conversions and sales increase.